Hey guys, Matt DeLong here with Real Life Trading, and we're going to talk about what was announced yesterday on June 8th about Shopify and their 10-for-1 stock split. So yesterday, Shopify came out with the news that they are going to be doing a 10-for-1 stock split of their A and B class shares. There is some notes and some discussion in this announcement regarding the CEO, Tobias Lütke, and he is going to maintain most of the control. Him and his family, his associates, are going to be maintaining most of the voting rights, about 40%. And I don't know what that means exactly when you dig into all the details of what that does and doesn't mean. However, if we were to look at the stock chart, the stock is down pretty significantly, roughly 70%, reaching the highest point on their stock chart mid-November, around the 19th of November, reaching almost $1,800. Today, it sits down here at a measly $370 after hours. So what does that mean for a stock split? What exactly does that entail? Well, a stock split, the current price is, at this moment in time, it is $370. Now, what that means is a 10-for-1 stock split means if you have one share, you will get an additional 9. So 1 becomes 10, kind of like gremlins. They will multiply, right? But here's the cool part. 10 shares now become $37. So if you invested $370, after the stock split, the value of those shares will still be worth $370. So we're taking a pie and cutting smaller pieces. Anyone who is on record as of June 29th, or a few days before June 29th, that is when the split is going to occur again, a 10-for-1 stock split. Now, a stock split alone doesn't typically add value, does not increase value of the share. What it does, why companies want to do is they want to lower the price of their stock. So instead of being $370, it will be whatever the price is on the day before, on June 28th, whatever that price is, it'll be cut into 10 pieces or 1/10. So as an example, again, if it's at 370, it will be cut to 37. Now that is not the final dollar amounts. It will be a 10-for-1. However, we need to see how it closes on June 28th. Again, I own some shares. I am bullish on Shopify, but I bought way down here. And I think I have about 20 shares that I've accumulated. I know, big stuff, right? 20 shares of Shopify, and those 20 shares will become 200 shares after the stock split. Now, the only reason that most people buy ahead of a stock split is this anticipation of the split. People want to get in before the stock actually splits. Now, it doesn't actually add any real value to the stock. It just makes all those slices a little bit smaller, but you get more slices. And so that run up, typically there is a pop in the stock leading up to several days right before the stock split. And Shopify is following in the footsteps of Google and Amazon, who announced that they are doing a 20-for-1 stock split. That's all I have for you, team. I am bullish on Shopify. I have a handful of shares, and I plan to buy more very soon. Thanks.